In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Steam New Big Picture mode. By the end, you'll know how to open the new Big Picture interface, navigate it with a controller, keyboard, or mouse, launch a game from your library, visit the store, adjust key settings, and safely exit Big Picture mode. First, open Steam. On your desktop or Start menu, launch the Steam app and wait for it to load to the main window. Next, click View in the top menu bar. From the drop-down, click Big Picture mode. Steam will switch to the new Big Picture full-screen interface. Now, navigate. You'll see large tiles and a simplified layout designed for TVs and controllers. The home screen gives you quick access to recent games, the library, the store, and settings. Use controller, keyboard, or mouse. With a controller, use the stick or D-pad to move, and A to select. With a keyboard, use the arrow keys to move and enter to select. With a mouse, move the pointer and click. This way, you can comfortably navigate every screen in Big Picture mode. Go to Library to launch games. From the home screen, move to the Library tile and select it. Your installed games and your full collection are visible here with large, easy-to-read covers. Go to Store to buy games. If you want to browse or purchase, go back to the main navigation and select Store. You can scroll through featured titles, search, and view details just like in the desktop client, but with a controller-friendly layout. Go to Settings for customization. From the main navigation, open Settings to see where you can adjust how Big Picture looks and behaves, including interface preferences and controller options. You don't have to change anything yet. This is simply where customization lives, so you know where to return later. Play games. To start playing, return to the main navigation. Open Library. Select Library again to view your games. You can switch between installed titles and your full catalog if needed. Select a game. Highlight the game you want to play and open its details page. Here you'll see the play button, recent activity, and options specific to that game. Click Play. This launches the game from Big Picture mode. If the game needs an update or first-time setup, let it complete. Once it's done, your game will open and you're ready to play. Customize Big Picture. When you're finished testing or after you've launched a game successfully, you can adjust how Big Picture looks and how your controller behaves. Go to Settings. Return to the Big Picture home navigation and open Settings. Change Interface/Theme. In Settings, open the Interface or Appearance section to switch themes, adjust color accents, and tweak layout preferences. This helps match Big Picture to your display and personal taste. Any changes you make here only affect the Big Picture interface and can be reversed at any time, so feel confident exploring. Adjust controller settings. Still in Settings, open the Controller section to manage your controller type, layout, and calibration. You can enable or disable Steam input for supported controllers and fine-tune sensitivity or layout per device. This ensures better navigation and in-game control inside Big Picture mode. Exit. Big Picture. When you're done, return to the main Big Picture screen. Click Power icon. Look for the power symbol, usually in the top right corner of the screen, and select it to open the power options. Select Exit Big Picture mode. Confirm the option to leave Big Picture. Steam will return to the regular desktop client, and your changes will stay in place for the next time you open Big Picture mode. At this point, you've successfully used Steam's new Big Picture mode to navigate, launch a game, customize the interface and controller settings, and exit back to the desktop client. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.